We got some heavy duty, y'all. Stupid airplane. Hey my dudes, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be reviewing all the slime collection. All my slime collection. First thing first is this Nickelodeon slime fun scented mac and cheese. This one is jiggly slime. Weird. This is the Nickelodeon. This is the Nickelodeon slime pre-made slime. Fun scented piso cake. So here is a slime when I made clear slime for the first time. Fail to satisfying slime, but now it's a fail.
That feels so good, so satisfying, yo. I really want to scream. This is so good. Oh my goodness.
Because it's legit melting. Is blah 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 slime. Very, very cool. Here is this Nickelodeon slime fun scented million. Billion. No, melon. Remember this from the haul? So here is this cloud slime. Let's see. I don't know why I just did that. But ooh. Remember this bad boy? Yes, from the slime puffs. Okay, now it is time for Carol and Charisma. They made this slime puffs. Ooh, boy. And it's turning to harden. Well, my dudes, this is the end of the world. Here is this one is a jiggly slime. Well, my dudes, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and hit notifications. And yeah, before I end this video, I really want to mention real quick that I'll be doing a giveaway this month. And the giveaway this month is a cake squishy. If you guys really want this cake squishy, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit notifications. Comment down below, #Unicorn Squad, and that's how you earn it. And yeah. Bye! And I'll see you guys next time. See you, dudes!